Alright everybody, I just wanted to do a little video called Can We Fix This Tool? So I bought this thing probably about a year and a half ago. And it worked great for a long time, and all of a sudden lately it'll pump up with nothing on it, but the second I put something on it, it doesn't lift. So just doing a little research, and so what they're saying is this is a bleeder and this is the fill. So what they're saying to do, and hopefully this is informative for everybody, definitely helped me out. You know, you spend, obviously this is a Harbor Freight one, it's aluminum, 2.5 ton. It's a great little jack, low profile, all that good stuff. So granted, it was only like 120 bucks when I bought it or something like that. Not 100% sure, but who wants to spend that kind of money every year on a new jack? So what they're saying is these O-rings are pretty junk. Yeah, they're kind of a little brittle and everything. But what they said is take both those off, make sure it's loose. Oh, never mind, I guess we're gonna leave that one on. It wanted to push fluid out, so we'll leave this one on for now. And then, I don't know if you guys can see in there, we're gonna pump it a little bit and make sure that there's no air bubbles in it. Definitely see fluid moving, but it's definitely low on this side. So anyways, I don't got any more air coming out. Take this one off, and then what we're gonna do, I just went to auto parts store, just picked up a bottle of this, just a couple bucks, like $5 or something. If this works, that's way better than buying a brand new jack, right? And that's kind of the way I looked at it. So anyways, we're just gonna just add a little bit here at a time until we start seeing the level come up over here. I'm wondering, if I was supposed to leave that down. Let's try that and see if we see the fluid start coming up on that level or on that side. Oh yeah, that's probably why you're supposed to leave it down there. Jeez. Anyways, that level, yep, there we go. So we're gonna go ahead put that one, hold up. So I also went when I was at the auto parts store, just picked up some just O-rings, so we could see if any of these fit and get some new O-rings on this thing. Just to make sure we're gonna seal her up good, right? So, nice brand new O-ring. Got that one in there. And then that O-ring's junk. Little baby O-ring there. Bring that back up. Grab a rag and just clean up our mess here. Don't want any of that oil dripping on the brand new floors. Now that we got all that back together, now obviously it's been working great on the table, so that's all the way up there. What we're going to do, I'm going to push pause here on you guys, set up over by the G, and see how it works on that. So we'll be right back. Alright, so we're set up on the G here. So, there you have it. It's working a heck of a lot better now. Looks like it's holding pretty well. That's good. Yeah, last time it was going like halfway down before it engaged like that, so. Well, yeah, definitely getting plenty of clearance out of her there. As you can see, lifted up the whole back of the car. I think you can see that. Oh, it's just here. Oh yeah, lifting up the whole car. So, I know this isn't what I normally do on videos, but definitely wanted to kind of show you guys, you know, if you have tools that are screwed up, you don't always have to just discard them and go get new ones. Just utilize tools that you have in the shop. This one, I think I'm $6 into that to get it back up and working properly. So as opposed to spending, you know, another 120, 150 bucks, or even if you're spending more, you know, going and buying name brand stuff, you could spend upwards of a couple $100, and that's stuff that you can, that's money you can put towards your builds, right? So just want to do this, and if you guys like the video, if you want to see more like this, let me know. You know, we'll try and improve some of the other tools in the shop. And if you do like this, let me know. If you guys like the videos, please comment, like, subscribe. Follow along for all these journeys, and we'll see you in the next video.